Hi there, Simon here from Music Radar. We're at Superbooth 2018, back on the Bastl stand. This is Václav. You're the man behind Bastl, of course.
Oh, yeah.
You've got some new stuff here. We're looking at 1983 and timber, but we're looking at 1983 first.
Yeah.
Tell us all about it and show us what it can do.
So maybe I can play a little demo first.
Yeah, go for it.
So what you've heard was a 4-voice polyphony, actually 8-voice, but we'll get to that.
Okay.
The 1983 is a Polyphonic Midi interface. It has 4 channels, and each channel has a CVN gate output and then also a listen input. So it can listen to the oscillators, and you can just hit the tune button and it makes them in tune. Okay. It also checks all the octaves, so it makes sure it's your oscillators are in tune across all the 7 octaves.
Nice.
So this is like the main trick, and this patch that I've played on the keyboard is like a additive polysynth. So there is also the wave shaper in the signal chain.
Yeah.
But there is also more to the Midi interface. There are 4 more inputs down here. There's a Portamento jack to control the Portamento with CV, a transpose jack that can transpose the outputs by octave, fifth or semitone, so you can arpeggiate on top of what you input.
Yeah.
Then there is an update jack, which I think is really exciting. In this cable I have a clock, so when I plug in the clock, it quantizes or it updates the outputs only when the clock comes.
Okay. Yeah.
So it sort of quantizes what you play and sort of fixes it to the grid, which is kind of cool when you're a crappy keyboard player like I am. And
you're very good compared to me. I'm rubbish.
And I think the most exciting jack on the whole module is the window jack. And what it does is that when you play more than the polyphony allows you, more than, let's say, 4 notes, still, as long as you play legato, all these notes will be stored in the memory.
Oh, right.
And what shows up at the outputs as control voltages, it's just a selection, it's like a window into the buffer.
Oh, right. Yeah.
And then you can move the window around the buffer with the window jack. So what we're hearing here in the background the whole time these are the other 4 voices I mentioned.
Yeah.
So basically I can feed the instrument with these notes, like I hit a new chord, and then the drum section is sending some clocks into the module, and then it generates sort of music based on like what kind of notes I input to the system.
Yeah.
So that's
reacting to you.
Yeah, exactly. So that's something I was like really wanting to have for a long time, because I grew up playing piano.
Yeah.
And my brain still thinks in harmonies.
Yeah, you've still got that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, I'm a terrible player, but I still.
Do yourself then.
I still want to interact with the modules in a sort of a natural way for me.
Oh, brilliant. Cool.
So that's for the 1983, and maybe we can have a look at the.
Let's look at timber. Check it out.
Timber. So the timber is a dual wave shaper. So there are 2 different wave shaping circuits. The first is a wave folder.
Yeah.
So it amplifies the input signal, and then it reaches the folding threshold, and then it bends the waveform inward to make a 3rd, 5th, and 7th harmonic. So it multiplies the frequency, and you can open it up to this like really lush bright square wave.
Yeah, cool.
So this is the first of the two shapers. Then there is this crossfade knob. So if I can crossfade into the input signal. So what we're modulating now is a triangle wave. So that's really nice to bring back the fundamental frequency, because you know there is not much of it left of the bass component. So this way you can keep the bass component and still do all the shaping. And when you flip the switch at the crossfade, you're crossfading to the second wave shaper, which has some configuration switches, and it's more of an overdrive. It's a simpler circuit, but it works better with more complex signals. And both have a symmetry control, so you can do like a symmetric wave shaping. And then also crossfade between these. You can achieve a lot of very interesting timbres with the wave shaper. There is also independent output from each of the wave shaping circuit, and yeah, the crossfade is voltage controllable. Everything's voltage controllable, of course. And there is also one more jack which has a feedback CV, which takes some of the output signal and brings it back to the input.
Okay.
So yeah, so that's pretty much about it.
That's it, timbre in a nutshell. Thank you very much.
So,
these are available soon?
yeah,
What sort of time are we thinking?
So the timbre is already available for pre-orders, and we're shipping in July. It's gonna be 170 euros without tax, so close to 200. And 1983 Midi Interface will be available in September for around 250 euros excluding tax.
Thank you very much. Václav, it's a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So please like, subscribe, comment and share all that stuff we see in this video right now. Check out musicradar.com for latest news, reviews and tutorials, and we should have some more videos from Superbooth when we get them, so check back soon. Cheers.